was on a cruise that stopped in Cartagena for one day. A friend who had previously visited Cartagena recommended I contact Danny. I arranged for Danny to take my group on a half-day tour. We ranged in age from 35 to 80, and Danny was able to put an itinerary that catered to everyone's needs. The tour was a perfect mix of history, sightseeing and shopping, as well as a delicious lunch. Danny is very nice and knowledgeable. A really fun day. My teenage daughter and I, thanks to Danny, were able to understand the context and history behind each typical Cartagena experience, from the historic center to Getsemani. It was an experience to be enjoyed with all the senses. We loved this tour, we highly recommend it. Danny was fun, engaging and professional. I was on a solo trip when I booked her tour and really enjoyed myself. It was like taking a tour with a good friend. Not only was the super knowledgeable, she was so sweet. The guide was delightful and had excellent historical and cultural knowledge of what she was teaching us. We were with an elderly person who walked slowly, and she was perfectly fine with us.